You know you can make as high as this from the comfort of your home, just writing for foreign international companies, and you don't even need to be a writer to get started. What you just need is this device you're using to watch me right now. This device that is on Play Store and this one. That's all you need to do this. Surprised, right? Are you surprised? Now I'm gonna show you what to do so you can start making something like this or something like this monthly. Yeah, monthly. All right. Now before I'm gonna show you this, you have to do one thing: join the family so you don't miss out. All right. Now we're gonna quickly go into this business model. It is called ghostwriting for story platforms, and this is not Nigeria. This is for foreign international companies that's gonna pay you in dollars. You know the rate of dollar right now, so I don't need to tell you. You need to start earning in dollars from the comfort of your home without positioning yourself as an authority, without running ads on Facebook, without doing affiliate marketing, just in your house, writing stories and getting paid in dollars. Sound crazy, right? Alright, now I'm going to show you what to do. Now I believe by this time you have your Google Docs, you have your phone, and you have your internet connection, because I'm going to be reviewing some sites that pay you to write in dollars, and I'm going to be showing you proofs that it's actually working. Do you get me? If it's not working, if it's not tested and trusted, I will not bring it here on my channel. That's what I do here. Alright, now the first site on my list, I'm going to put it on the screen, and how much I've made from this site. Yes, the first site is something anybody can do. It's something anybody can do. Just go there, you put up your books, and you get paid in dollars. Sound crazy? If you want a detailed video on this particular site, I'm going to throw a video above my head that you can go and watch that will explain the site for you. Alright, the second site in my list is Amazon. Yes, you can put out your book on Amazon. I know this one is kind of very popular. Many people be like, okay, I've heard you. How do I go about it? It's very easy to go about. What you just need to do is just your Google Docs. You're going to use your Google Docs a lot for this business model. Okay, so you have to have it handy. Now, what you just need to do is go to ChatGPT. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to put out books on Amazon. Yeah, I said that. You can use ChatGPT. Now, this is something anybody can do, like even the dumbest person can do. I don't know why you're sleeping on it. You're sleeping on opportunities. Yeah. So please and please, you're gonna do this with just your smartphone. Yeah, with just your smartphone. So anybody can do this. You don't need to have any special knowledge or prior knowledge of this. Now, if you want to get started with Amazon KDP, so look at this video here, watch it so you can get started with Amazon KDP and start cashing out in your royalties every single month. Now, the third business or the third site you're going to go to put out your books or to put out whatever thing you know how to do very well, you sell your services, sell your skills, as either on Upwork or on Fiverr. Yeah, I'm going to put the two platforms above my head. Now, yes, this is where you go to render your services. Any of your services you're actually going to do, you just render it, and people are willing to actually reach out to you and bargain for your work, or maybe bid you for your services you get. So it just depends on how you structure yourself and position yourself right there, and you're gonna see results. Do you get? So that is it.